especially at Vagator. Location was always great, and because of that location we had lot of economic activity which has helped the people of Goa. Businessmen जे सगळे आसले थिंगा not only in Anjuna Vagator Sapana but elsewhere in Kalangut constituency, in Morje, Mandre, Arambol, Keri, all local people who were doing various types of activities were always busy in all for 1 week. Sunburn जाता म्हणून एक week सारखे सगळे busy असतात. So it is a good activity which happens in the state of Goa. Goa, brand Goa also goes up. Sunburn okay. Brand Goa ahats on right on top, but with sunburn included in that, it really shines up.
तुम्ही उलयतले त्यांच्याकडे आता ट्राय करतले?
I will try to talk to them because I know them. I will tell Tourism Minister Mohan Bab also to talk. I will tell CM also to intervene. If brand आमचा गोवा जो हा for tourism, Sunburn can incorporate over there, and finally he should be also given one single window. Single window means one NOC. With that everything, all the other departments should take care of it.
See, tourism in Goa needs a lot of factors. If Sunburn is not there, somebody else might come in. We are not keeping ourselves close to 1% or 1% wanting. Whoever is wanting, Sunburn is a yearly event which is done here. It is to them to decide whether they want to do here. It's some news which has come in.
Sunburn is a private event. आणि ते डिसिजन घेतला आसतलें. हांगा ताका सिंगल विंडो कांय जायना. झऱ्याला खटखटावची पडटा. चड जाता. सो ते उदगडी
परतून हाडपा खातीर जर
मागीर ताजे बरोबर पार्टनरशीप करची पडली.
वयता तेका आमी आडोवंक शकना. पूण आमी इतलें चिंतूंक जाय की पोरने गोश्टी जाले आनी नवीन गोश्टी कितें हाडपाक जाय. आमी भात जेन्ना उपतात शेतान आनी ते खूब वर्सांनी तेची फर्टिलिटी आसता सॉयलाची ती कमी जाता. सो आतां ही कमी जाल्ली आहा.
जे सन्माना सारख्या विशया संदर्भात आसा की त्या संदर्भात म्हजी भुमिका हांवें पयलीं मांडलेली आसा की अशे विशय जे आसा न्ही समजा नॉर्थ ह्या सायडीक वेगळे चलत पूण आमच्या ग्रामीण भागांत अशे विशय चलना.
जे लोकांक बरें आसा ते जावपाक जाय. आतां बेजीक कितें आसा सरकारान दोन हे आसा. एक थोडे म्हणटा की बिजनस जनरेट जाता, थोडे म्हणटा की थंय सावंड पोल्युशन जाता. सो ते दोन्ही हितून पळोवपाक जाय.
गुड ज्यो गोश्टी आमी सदांच मागताले की सन्मान सारके फेस्टिवल गोंयांत नाका म्हणून ते फेस्टिवला पेक्षा चड तातूंत कितें चलता ते म्हजे पेक्षा पत्रकारां आनी मिडिया चड खबर आसा. आनी आमी पयलीं वचून रायट फ्रॉम बिगिनींग सन्माना सारक्यो पार्ट्यो गोंयांत नाका.